I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to apply for the Tamil Nadu Unemployment Assistance Scheme, step by step. This vital government initiative offers financial support to eligible unemployed youth across the state. The primary goal is to alleviate financial hardships, providing a monthly stipend to help individuals during their job search. We will cover everything from eligibility to the application process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to apply successfully. To qualify for this scheme, you must be a permanent resident of Tamil Nadu. General candidates need to be registered with an employment exchange for 5 years or more. Your family's annual income must not exceed 72,000 rupees. The age limit is 40 years for general candidates and 45 years for scheduled caste or tribe applicants. Differently abled individuals have more flexible criteria, requiring only 1 year of employment exchange registration, with no age or income limits. When applying, you will need several important documents. First, prepare an identification proof such as your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or voter ID. A domicile certificate proving your Tamil Nadu residency is also mandatory. You must include all your educational qualification certificates, from 10th standard to any degrees. Ensure you have your bank account details ready for the direct transfer of funds. Finally, a recent passport-size photograph and a self-attested affidavit are also necessary for your application. The application process is straightforward. First, you need to obtain the official application form from your local district employment office. Carefully fill out every section of the form, ensuring all details are accurate and complete. Once filled, attach all the required supporting documents we discussed. Finally, submit your completed application form along with the documents back to the District Employment Center. Remember to keep your employment exchange registration active to continue receiving benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.